Hello friends, I am Igor Maslennikov. You may know me on Instagram as @marlonb.tats. I tattoo in my own ornamental style, Neo-Buddhism Bohemic, which I have been developing for the last 10 years. In today's project, I worked in stable hit mode. As I understand it, this is the classic approach. No tricks, no messing around. My line is set to 4.2 millimeters. This is basically my regular output. Since the machine is new to me, I had to get used to it so that it would fit comfortably in my hand. I worked at a speed of 74 to 80 hertz. By the way, I set the anti-gravity system to the right position with a large circle. I like the stroke to be harder, sharper. I like to work at the tip of the amplitude. I use needles, triples 0.8, and my paint is dark gray wash. Unfortunately, this time without presets, this work is not very extensive. Basically, I only worked in one plane. I think I will test this feature in the future. I don't know what to compare it to yet, because it's very difficult to understand from just one work. But of course there is a similarity with the Avenger 3 Pro because there is this hammer that gives a certain light vibration and a pleasant sound. In terms of needle stability, since I generally work in threes, it's really important that everything is precise. And here I immediately saw that the needle moves really well, hitting the same spot every time. That's really good. Really great. By the way, I'd like to mention the design and materials, which are really cool. I really like the color, it's very fashionable and stylish, it's like the Apple of machines. But actually, knowing Vlad Blad, that's what he's aiming for. It's cool. It's a little heavy for me at the moment. I think that in time, my hand will get used to it. Compared to other machines I have from Vlad Blad, the center of gravity is shifted downwards, which is great, but it's still unusual. But I know that this is actually a big plus. The vibration is not very strong, probably like when you stroke a cat and it purrs. By the way, the cartridge location is slightly offset, but if I didn't notice any discomfort during the process, then it works. The function works well. There is no backlash. By the way, you know what's really cool? When adjusting the stroke, the machine remains in a stable, even state. I can switch between the buttons blindly. They work very well. There is nothing new to learn. I just picked it up and started working. I like that the screen turns on smoothly. I can't say for sure about the battery. An hour and a half was enough for me. I think it should actually work for 5 hours. I would definitely recommend this equipment because the guys are responsible for quality. I like to work with good tools, and I wish the same for you.